guys, it's been a while. No, not really. Probably a week since the last time I made one of my videos. I got a story. I got a story for you guys. I'm gonna make it short, sweet, round, apple pie. So let's get this crazy train rolling, shall we? Toot toot toot. Yeah. A couple weeks ago, me and my parents went to a state fair together. Yeah. Which oh, got this. I don't know if you can really read it. It says Brandon G. No, I put that on there because of the YouTube channel, which I think is going great so far. Or the videos, not the whole channel, but I think the videos are going great so far. And then I had them put wolf on there because I just love wolves. Crowds. There was a whale of a crowd at the state fair that day. Ginormous, humongous, Jack the Giant Slayer type of crowd. It was just huge. Through the sea of arthropods. Arthropods. A small vendor of electronic wonders rang my curiosity doorbell. So an investigation took place. Yeah, an investigation of what this electronic wonders was. I gained focus with my retinas, with my eyeballs, you know what? I'm just gonna draw it for you. If I can even find a sketchbook for you. Where is it? Where is it? Dang it, where did I put it? Aha! Now it seems I can't find a pen or a Sharpie. 1 second. I'm gonna draw you what the thing looked like. Sorry about the bad drawing. Didn't take me that long to draw. So but yeah. He was trying to sell these. He was trying to sell these. I would have loved to hear his sale pitch. We have a electronic dog. Basically doesn't do anything. It dances in one place. If you hold it up. If you hold it up, just dance. It's mind-boggling. The dog dances in place, but it doesn't do anything unless you hold it up, like a little puppet. A little puppet. The original price was $50, but today it is on sale for a low price of $39.99. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. No. For one, I'm pretty sure it maybe took like $2 to make that frickin' dog. To make that freaking dog. That electronic stupid dog. $2. $2 for that. I could go and buy 2 McChickens at McDonald's. Although I don't really go there anymore. But anyways, in number 2, the atmosphere of that vendor to me was a little bit disturbing. Pink. It was super pink. It was like Pepto-Bismol walls. Pepto-Bismol walls. Just a bright pink. Not to mention that there's like weird Barney music going on in the background. And the silent little clicking of the gears that were moving in those little animatronic and those animatronic little puppets. I never thought that toys would get this stupid. So that's all I have right now for the story. I hope you enjoyed it. I know that was a crazy day. So stay tuned for next week for another story. See ya. Hey kids, you can have fun. Not really. All you have to do is just hold this little thing up, you know, like this, and it dances in place. The stupid $2 toy that we're selling for $39.99. Buy it now.